Good morning, everyone. Okay, I remain my humble self, Mr. Brown, a greatest physicist of all kind. Okay, so I'm here to quickly solve a particular problem. The problem is strictly on resultant and what equilibrant what force. Okay, so very simple. Like I did say earlier, two forces, 5 Newton each, are inclined at 120 degrees to each other. Find the single force that will A, replace the given force system. B, balance the given force system. Okay? The one thing about the particular problem on the board is diagram. Okay, so how can I do that? I'll use equilibrant force to bring out the word diagram on the board. So, solution. Okay? Alright, so the first thing I need to do is my diagram. Okay? So I have this. I have this, I'll have this, I'll have this, okay? So here is my E, and this E is called what? The equilibrant what? Force, okay? So I'll do this, okay? Okay? So this is my arm. So from here to here, this is F1, and this is what? F2. Okay? And see the two forces are what? 5 Newton. So here is what? 5 Newton. Here is what? 5 Newton. Okay? So this is my resultant what? Force, and this is my what? Equilibrium force. Say they both incline at what? 120 degrees to each other. Very important. That means from here to here is what? 120 degrees, okay? So here is my what? Alpha. Okay, so with this diagram, I can be able to what? Solve A and what? B. Remember, from here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is also 5 centimeters. And from here to here is also what? 5 centimeters. So here is also what? 5 centimeters. Here is also what? 5 centimeter. Okay? So the A part will replace the given force system. What can replace the given force system is this what? R, the resultant. The resultant will replace these two what? Forces. Okay? So how can I get my resultant? Because I'm on A now, which is A. Okay? So my R is what? Unknown. So my R square is equals to F1 square plus F2 square plus 2F1 F2 cos what? Theta. Okay? So I'm going to use this plus because the angle falls on what? Second what? Quadrant, which is very, very important. But if the angle is on first quadrant, I'm going to use what? Minus, because I cannot use first quadrant, I'll use second quadrant. But in this case, the angle falls on what? Second quadrant. So this will remain the same. So my R squared is equals to my F1 is what? 5. So my 5 squared plus F2 is what? 5. So 5 squared plus 2 open brackets 5 times what? 5 cos what? 120 degrees. Okay? So I have my R squared is equals to 25 plus 25 plus 5 times 5, 25 times 2, 50 cos 120 will be always be negative. So my cos 120 is minus 0.5, that's 0.5. Okay, so let's proceed. So my R square is equals to 25 plus 25. I have my 50 plus. Okay, it's no longer the plus. Plus times minus is what? Minus. Don't make that mistake. Plus times minus. It will be what? Minus. 50 times 0.5. I have my 25. Okay? So, my R square is equals to 50 minus 25. I'll have my what? 25. So, my R square, my R is equals to square root of what? 25. So my R is equal to what? 5 Newton. Okay? So I'm done solving for my what? That force that will replace the given force what? System is my resultant what? Force. So the next thing is the big part. So find the single force that will balance the given force system. That single force that will balance the given force system is called the equilibrant what? Force. What is even equilibrant force? Equilibrant force is that force that will counterbalance the two other what? Given forces. Okay? So my B is called what? My equilibrant. Equilibrant force is that force that will balance the two other forces. Okay, so before that can occur, this E must be what? 5 Newton. Okay, this E must be what? 5 Newton. So my therefore my equilibrium for this E is equal to what? 5 what? Newton. So before the equilibrium force will balance the two other what? Forces, it must be having the same force with those what? Two other forces. So the equilibrium force is also what? 5 what? Newton. Okay, I'm done with this simple problem on the board. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video.